Yeah! Now we're going to keep the show going and we're going to change the pace a little bit. Coming to the stage, the man called Firestar!
Yeah, man, fix it up there for my boss. No eating. None of. Only man with our King Selassie and Jah. Oh, yes, we got to do it for them. They don't get a fire out of the arm, them. Want them. Try to be a man. We got to do it. Get rid of them so easy. We didn't think about the big of them. Get them so easy, but find a trade they got time in them. Get rid of them so easy. It's a money thing of them easy. Get rid of them so easy. So no people with no need them apart. And alright, leave off and feed them apart. Leave them apart and the knees them apart. Bring them up against the wall. Feed them apart. You will not them alone. Never come for out. Trust on it. Holy man with that King Selassie and Jah! Brian, pick up yourself, you're the general! Hey! One day! They don't make up a guitar of it! They don't want to go! Get rid of them so easy! We didn't pick up anything on them! Pull up! Yeah! Malcolm X, drop back that same replay. I'm going to reach for you and watch it. Let me see how, take it down Malcolm X. Let me see how the people who know so they're born in farmer. Hold on, me not hear. Let me hear the people who know so they're born in farmer. Because them say we have smoke weed and them are in farm. You hear me that love sex up? They no one never come. They no large and no switch up there. In farmer, switch up there. So the better people to shut down. God put up every bit of them. Come on, my God, that you can think of them. They talk about them just like you think of them. Bad boy, them be your people, them. See them and have it. Pull up. Yeah, man, when you're feeling Dallas, Texas, give me some vibes and energy. Look at the beautiful lady. Make some noise for the ladies. Yeah, you don't know, sir. We just reaching our place, we never want to split from that to come up here. Where the classic there? Bumbo clap. Brian! The general, drop! Hey! They don't want to get cool eye. Some boy, they don't go with it. These are them boys, right? Take it up. Prove them. See them under them, start lose them. Like a damn thief, confuse them. Just do the body, take them, lose them. Stop them, they don't go running. I never be move them. Flip up and chip up and bruise them. The one of them does not abuse them. He did not break the fools, start fool them. Start to know fool them. Say, see them. Them don't make one when me sum up them. Some boy want to get me down, me burn up them. Don't come, yeah, they got some of them. So them others, so them go for them, we turn up them. Who put them up like something? Brand new. Alright, go on, let's sing with me now. Go on, let's say. Take it down to the come. Make me and them party now. Go on, let's say. Themselves. Come on, maybe you say themselves. Come on, Dallas, give me some power. Maybe you say themselves. Alright, you're not going to follow me after every line now. Are they ready to get active? Alright, prove them. See the one that them start losing. Like a damn thief, confuse them. Just do the vanity, them lose them. Them not come run again, like them will be move them. Flip up and chip up and bruise them. Even if them just abuse them. In the time of the full start fool them. So you know, take it up. boy when you hit it up and run up them. Drunk up, you never come up them. So your father said them not tell me I'm not them. Who knows them up like a subligent. But what trouble like when you never trouble them. May they go eat a toast and come in night. When they pick up, then they say they move themselves. This is the one that they start to move themselves. Next thing first. I remember come for her. Tell us how the feeling. Oh, they look so cool up in here tonight. Give me some vibes and energy. Make some noise. No, Chris, hold on. Don't play nothing, Virgin. Oh, no, Chris Martin, a big artist. And now, warm up in a set before. Come up here. Right? All right. Hold on there. I want you out for the ladies there. Drop your mark off. Baby, oh, yeah. Okay, let me tell you something. Baby, if you looking at your eyes, I can tell you that the feeling is sure. There's no one thank you more, because I'm coming to you. I'm looking at your eyes, I can tell you that the feeling is sure. Oh, take it on, girl, them keep the soul bad. Take it on. Why you try to make your life so hard? But despite that, you never gave up, you never slow down. Look out, so you lighting up the whole town. Why you burn them down? We said, baby, it's you, girl. Looking at your eyes, and I can tell you that the feeling is true. So let no one break your heart, because I'm coming for you. From the looking at your eyes, I can tell you that the feeling is true. Alright, hold on, what you gonna tell her now? What you gonna tell her now? I'm gonna show you how we deal with girl. Alright, watch your baby, look at this. Baby, can you please pay attention? Alright, look at this now. Okay? Alright, I'm gonna tell you something, baby. Now you hear me? Anything you say me gonna do, no say that me gonna do. Girl, me gonna take you on the cruise. Weekend vacation for 2. Stick to your body like glue. Tell me that I'm getting on the mood. Girl, you're coming like a danger boat. We on your first side of the boat, yeah. We don't take it with you, girl. We're looking at pull up that boat.
Give it up for Fire. Fire Stir. Come on, y'all gotta give up some love. You know what I mean? What my ladies, man? What the ladies?